guys, it's me, Dominic, and I'm doing our next vlog. It's been a long time when we did these vlogs. So I'm building a transformer puzzle. Here it is. Unboxing it, I'm building it. It's twice big like it was big like my head. Let's open this bad boy. Here it is, guys. All done. Supposed to say like reloading. Here's the front, here's the top, here's the side. My favorite is heat wave. Thanks for watching. Comment down below which Autobot rescue bot is your favorite. Make sure to subscribe. Guys.